Hey everyone, welcome to the 11th lesson of this course. In this lesson, we're going to use a visibility condition option to choose from a different layouts for our blog single page. We are back at our blog single page, and as you can see here into the layers, we have two different layout sections. We have this blog layout 1, which is currently visible and it holds all of our content, and we have this blog layout 2, which as you can see is hidden. So let's set it here to be display block so we can see what we have there. As you can see, we have similar fields as we have in our layout 1 section. We have these social share buttons, we have tags, we have image gallery here instead of a single image as we have in the previous section. We have the rich text which holds our content, and here we have this FAQ extra section and the related articles. Now we're going to see how can we choose which layout we want for our specific article. To begin with, we need to go to our collections. Then inside our main blog collection, we need to open the settings and add a new field. For this example, we would need a select field. So let's name it layouts, hit confirm. And now inside this option field, we need to input which options we want to have inside our select field. So let's add a layout 1, then hit enter, and then input second option, layout 2. We can hit the save button here, finish editing. Then let's open this article. For example, scroll down a little bit and we can see our new field here. So let's open it and we can see these two options which we previously added. So for this article, let's choose layout 2. Let's hit finish editing, close the collections, and we can now set up a visibility conditions. First of all, we need to select our first section, then go to the advanced, and here we can find this visibility condition option. So let's add a new one. Let's open the variables pop-up, open the page drop-down, open the data drop-down, and we need a layouts field which we created. So let's hit save button. Then for the operator, we need to set up equals. And here we need to type in the name which we set up into the select option. So we need layout 1, then hit the add button. Then we need to select our second section, go back to the advanced, add new visibility condition, again set up the layout field here, hit the save button. For the operator, we need to set up equals, and here we need to set up a layout 2 value, hit the add button, and as you can see, our first section is completely hidden and our second section is visible because we selected a second layout for this article. Now, if we go here and switch to a different page, for example this one, you will see that both sections are hidden. That's because for this article we haven't set any layouts value. So let's go back to the collections and open this organize article, then scroll down and select the first layout, for example, hit finish editing, close the collection. And you can switch back to this article, and as you can see, the first layout will be applied for this article just as you set inside our collection. And we slowly came to the end of our 11th lesson. Keep in mind that you can use as many layouts as you want. For this video we have kept it simple and we have only used 2 different layouts. Also, keep in mind that every section hidden by the visibility condition option completely hides your section from the Google. In other words, it won't mess up your SEO or your website structure, so it's completely safe to use. This will be everything for this lesson, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.